Welcome back to Machine Era, where industrial beasts tackle the toughest jobs on Earth. From ripping out massive roots to slicing logs and shredding monster trunks, these machines showcase brute power and razor-sharp precision. Before we dive in, hit that like button to power up the channel and keep the gears turning. I'm speechless. A true destroyer. Under the raw power of modern machinery, a 2,755-pound bucket mounted on the massive Hyundai Robex 260 rips trees from the earth. Welded steel teeth bite deep into the ground, tearing out roots, dirt, and stone alike. With a deafening rumble, the stump grinder roars to life against a hardened stump. Its high-speed blade spits fire and dust clouds, eating through thick wood layers. Every shriek of metal tears the stump down into a polished, leveled battlefield. Steel never dies. The old T-40 tractor, a relic of Soviet power, roars side by side with the modern Pinko. Age means nothing. The T-40 keeps pulling stumps with brutal force. Tracks bite into the earth, flinging stone and soil skyward. Men and machines, shoulder to shoulder, clearing every last obstacle. Power unleashed. The T300 drives straight at giant stumps, its bucket plunging into the soil, tearing out roots and timber in one savage pull. Dust and stones erupt as the helpless stump crashes to the ground like a broken toy. Unleashing raw power, the PTH-1400/820 storms forward, its 550 horsepower Stanya DC-13 engine screaming with fury. The high-speed blade chews through hardwood mercilessly. Every spin rips giant logs into clouds of flying splinters, scattering the battlefield. chainsaw, nothing fancy, but its power is real. It cuts through massive trunks with ease, taking down even storm-toppled giants without breaking a sweat. Built tough and built strong, the M2030 tears through timber without mercy. Its powerhouse engine delivers crushing blows, splitting logs cleanly and efficiently, a machine that makes the impossible routine. Outstanding technique. Watching stumps being pulled using a spare tire is both innovative and incredibly efficient. Every pull feels like a perfect blend of creativity and raw power. The stump cutter attached to the 330 excavator works with brute force. Its blade slices through the roots with deadly speed, shaking the stump as dirt and rocks are scattered. Within minutes, the massive root structure is eradicated, all thanks to raw power and precision. The stump cutter attached to the 330 excavator works with brute force. Its blade slices through the roots with deadly speed, shaking the stump as dirt and rocks are scattered. Within minutes, the massive root structure is eradicated, all thanks to raw power and precision. As each thick log is sliced off, the colossal tree slowly crumbles under the machine's might. This powerful yet precise operation highlights both the strength and the technical prowess of the equipment. In the heart of the cutting-edge wood processing line, the massive chipper never stops. Wood is fed into the machine, and with a flick of its sharp blades, the logs are instantly shredded into fine wood chips. Inside the Wimmer sawmill, massive, resilient logs are fed into the cutting line. The saw hums with anticipation, and its sharp blades dive into the wood, shaping perfect planks with each cut. Every slice is a clear representation of the raw power and precision of modern technology. Ever seen wood flowing seamlessly through a mill? At this factory, the Cat machine runs relentlessly. Its crane lifts heavy logs and places them neatly on the conveyor belt. Each movement is flawlessly executed, creating an efficient, powerful workflow. Push that like button or subscribe to join us on exciting journeys with the most powerful machines. ABOD delivers optimal solutions for wood processing by combining the Xylo 800 wood saw with a sharp circular saw, forming a powerful cutting system. The wood is swiftly cut, split, and categorized. The machine roars as each piece of wood falls neatly, all set for the upcoming winter. At the job site, the automated machine impressively loads logs with ease. Its flexible arm autonomously picks up each log and places it on the truck, then smoothly moves to transport, all without the need for a driver. Each movement is precise, powerful, and seamless. For watching until the end of the video. Please share your thoughts in the comments below if you have any suggestions on how we can improve our content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Machine Era channel so you won't miss the next video.